If you want to boost the PC performance and you do not want to install any third-party software, you want a reliable cleaner which is absolutely free, and it is also from Microsoft. So today I'll tell you a tool, a software which is provided by Microsoft, and it is very stable and very enjoyable. I'll let you know how we can install. So just open your favorite browser, and here we need to type Microsoft PC Manager like this. So once we have typed Microsoft PC Manager, I'll just maximize it. So the very first result will come https pcmanager.microsoft.com. So please ensure that you only visit the Microsoft website to download. So I'll click on that. And I'm very happy to share this tool, this software, because it is now very much stable. Earlier it was in beta, still it's in testing. However, now it is very stable with a lot of good features. So here it says safeguard your PC in a quiet and reliable way. I'll just click on download. And it is also available in Microsoft Store. So I'll click on download, and it says since it is already downloaded, I'll just click on open Microsoft Store, and very soon we will see an option to download the Microsoft PC Manager. So it's opening. It says Microsoft PC Manager. I'll click on get, and it asked me to say yes. So the best way to go to the Microsoft Store, and instead of searching from the website, we can search it from Microsoft Store as well. So you can see it's downloading, and the size of the file is only 13.76 MB. So it is light, and let's see how it looks. So it's installing. It will not take much time.